Code in VS Code with Anaconda. This is part 5 of our Anaconda manual series. Set up Python, run your code, and fix the 4 most common errors. Let's get started. Why does VS Code need a Python interpreter? 3 separate pieces work together. VS Code is the editor where you type code. The Python extension connects VS Code to Python. And the interpreter, inside your Conda environment, actually runs your code.
VS Code does not know Python until you tell it which interpreter to use.
First, download Visual Studio Code from the official website. Run the installer and open the extensions view. Search for Python and install the one published by Microsoft. The extension brings Pylance and environment discovery with it. Then create a new file and name it hello.py.
Now, tell VS Code which Python to use. Press Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command palette. Type Python select interpreter. Every Conda environment appears in the list, labeled by type: Conda, Global, and Workspace. You can also enter an interpreter path manually.
Pick your Conda environment! I will use my end. The status bar shows it at the bottom. Python 3.146, 64-bit myen EME Conda. Open a new terminal, and the prompt shows myen in parentheses. The terminal auto activates the environment for you. Type Python with the check command to prove it.
Time to run your first script. Click the Run Python File button in the top right. The terminal runs Python hello.py and prints hello world. Now check the version. The output ends with packaged by Anaconda incorporated. That is the proof you are running your Conda Python.
Want notebooks too? Install NB Conda kernels in the base environment. Then activate your project environment and install ipkernel inside it. Open a notebook and click Select Kernel. Choose Python environments and pick your environment. Now every cell runs in your Conda environment.
Error 1. An Invalid Python interpreter is selected. The status bar turns amber and says no Python environment is set for this resource. This bug is tracked on the VS Code Python repository. Fix it by updating the extension and reloading the window.
Then reselect your interpreter or enter the path manually.
Error 2. Failed to resolve environment. VS Code spins forever, refreshing virtual environments. The fix is simple. Refresh all environment managers from the command palette. Check that Conda is on your path, or set Python Conda path. If it still fails, enter the interpreter path manually.
Error 3, no module named pandas. You see the Pylance warning? Import could not be resolved. And the trashback says, no module named pandas. The cause is simple. Your code runs in a different environment than the one with the package. Select the right interpreter and install the package into that environment.
Error 4. Conda is not recognized in the terminal. PowerShell says scripts are disabled on this system. Run conda init PowerShell once and restart VS Code. If scripts are still blocked, set the execution policy to bypass for this session, or switch the default terminal to command prompt.
Here is your VS Code workflow. Install the extension, select your Conda interpreter, check the status bar, run your script, and fix errors with the quick reference. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.